Canada, I'm coming. I'm coming by the grace of God. One love from Florida. Hello, Florida. Only to my face. I got yeah, Anthony Miller. Oh my God, Anthony, I've been with Anthony Miller today. TVJ, so I'm going to come on TV. I'm gonna be NTVJ. I'm gonna be NTVJ. I'm gonna be NTVJ. People Ray. Anthony Miller came for me. Anthony Miller came for me. Anthony Miller came to see me right in Portsmouth. And we was underneath the tree. We was underneath the tree. You think God I pray for that? Under nature people. Under people can't touch so. The physical people, you are very judgmental. Right now, God knows my heart pure than my mouth. My mouth is very filthy. I think the goat, them little roll of goat do to them, dropping in my mouth to me to the country I tell them about. Yeah, my mouth is very filthy. God not using that against me. Everybody, sometimes some people go around them that don't ask. The same look a bit, they should love them little white spoon and little wool and them. Me too, me see it dirt. So when the man them couple of them a lizard shit. The little lizard. Egg, the egg, yeah. I'm buying them in You eat lizard egg? Yeah, it's called them white. I think I dirt. Look at the white. Everybody them. Tell me how much. I could have 2 years. Some of my asking or something. Why do you think my powerful and today nobody can touch me? All them man race me at throat. But them song watch me now. In them office. The society drive color corrobate them. The white color flaming at and pitch. Why do you think none of them can get all them team for all drive a person or drive? I want you to like all of me cuss bad word me I tell God to cover me and talk to God. So me I asking something with a stupid mentality. When I thinking on yourself, I say bomber class that and judgment. Come on now, where on that reason? That's just a principle word. For sure principle. The man I come to him, but I get never about the second look on just hurry up and come, little girl. Yeah? Do not touch him. Don't do that. Don't assault the man's wife. You feel like do the man now go wine and the woman. No one man. Too big and blood. You come like them man. Your man G-string. He's a G-string. Nobody come under your deep and wide. There's a fountain for the deep and wide. One darling, and on the fountain that's up. Me under your front. Watch crablows. My lobster and blood. Yeah. I swear, my mom is very rough and she give me tough love because that's what she knew. I grew under tough love with my mom. Thank God for England. By living in England, that loving and caringness in me, England dried out more. So I come to Jamaica, I wait for my mother to rub me. I rub her ears, I rub down her ear, I play with her so. I take out her titty them and tell me get her titty, I embrace her bit by bit and tear me now. 2014, after I come back to Jamaica, after I ain't got much in the ears, I'm return back home. One hard gladiator my mother give me. I'm just move my back again. Because every minute I go into the bathroom and just wet up so. I end the towel, use that towel. She cut me around. That's 2014. Them give tough love. If that is one of them. So what my point to me I get at. You see, like me, the way me grew up, I could I get tough love in the car. When them treat my body, when I look at me, I say, when I get big, more I feel myself, I cook enough meat. I never used to get no meat, virgin. Be a chicken back. Bomber clad chicken. Yeah. I always want enough meat. I don't know how much meat me cook per Sunday. 4 meat, 5 meat, 3 meat. I not cook 1 meat. So my point is, and everybody can motivate themselves and get that self-love and for endorse it with others. You have some people that you wonder say, them don't know what is love, but them love you know, but them don't know to express themselves. Now you have a child like that now. All right. My son, him give tough love and my youngest. That's my eldest son. But the reason why I'm give tough love because he's a reserved person. So he give me his mom tough love. Nastasia always say, Mommy, yeah, big friend from Roger. But what me do? Me not get evil with him. Maybe the bigger person. So I reach out to him. Suppose me telling myself, since Russia, you know, my son changed so much. I'm wonder if him know it, but me see it. The man make sure say him reach out to me say ever so often. He say, Oi, he message me, I say, Oi, what's up, gangster? I saw my son message me, you know. But you see, even just that, oh, what got I-O, what's up, gangster? Before we shall do, me I call Roger. I remember when Roger was around 12, I'm going to school. But just do a burger in the 40-inch ear and the summer, let down bunks, you know, Brazilian ear. Feel say me look good. And I drive past my son's school and see him. And when the little boy see me, little boy run. Friday, you know what, I go through the later, yeah. The little boy run from me and him friend them up. And why you running? Your mom is buff. But you see, as I young, I know I grew up. Remember, I used to take out my breast and when I go party, I used to lift up my clothes and lift up my breast. Everybody tell me stop this, I never pay them mind. Until my son said, oh, mom, stop that, mom, stop that. I'm sorry, early, I'm going to do it for you. You understand? But love is lovely. Love can break a lot of barriers. May I tell you? I do that a whole heap of time. Oof. So anyway, I'm gonna chat up my little lunchtime. I'm hungry. Later, yeah? We'll come back live later when if it's a play music. Number one, yeah, wifey, yes, thanks. I won't argue, I'm not get man. What are you trying to type in? What you know? Where is Dewey? Dewey gone again? Where Dewey there? Wriggle me diggle, wriggle me that. Guess me this wriggle and perhaps not. Yeah, man. I don't want too much, man. When you not get the way of me and the excitement and the ball, we are stressing the whole. If I come off the internet, no, and still ask to do it. Do it is fine and well, and I'm fine and well. Queenie had me. All the things when me are growing nobody tell about love you and see you later and hug you up and kiss you. All them tell you to tell Miss Jane morning and Miss Jane